Dear students, welcome to Ulm University. I am delighted to welcome you as students to the summer semester 2020 at Ulm University. Usually I would meet and greet you in the lecture hall. However, due to the current regulations for infection control in response to the coronavirus pandemic, it is not possible for us to gather at the university. I therefore welcome you just as warmly with this video. Let me first say a few words about Ulm University. It was founded in 1967 as a higher education institution for medicine and natural sciences and has since developed into an internationally regarded and renowned research university with around 10,000 students. The university is organized in 4 faculties with more than 60 study programs. We have roughly 220 professors, over 2,000 academic staff and about 1,000 non-academic staff working in teaching, research and administration. Both teaching and research at Ulm University are dedicated to specific societal challenges in the fields of energy, mobility, health and new technologies. We offer research and application-oriented academic education with a high-profile subject spectrum in medicine and the STEM areas. We take pride in providing excellent study conditions with close contact between teachers and students, even if this contact is currently only possible online. Our vision and quality standards for innovative and modern academic teaching to ensure the best possible education for our students are laid out in our mission statement teaching. You are probably wondering, and rightly so, how all this can be achieved in this current situation. The summer semester 2020 will certainly be characterized by digital, internet-based teaching. Our established teaching and learning platform Moodle enables you to participate in all your courses. Our lecturers will provide you with all relevant study materials and exercises and offer opportunities to get into contact. Practical elements of the courses that cannot be covered online, such as work in the lab, are deferred to a later stage in the summer semester according to the development of the measures for infection control. We do everything we can to ensure that you can complete and enjoy a successful semester. We strive to keep things as flexible and pragmatic as possible to avoid that you suffer unnecessary and preventable disadvantages from this pandemic situation. On the central landing page for online teaching, you will find instructions on how to get to your courses, as well as comprehensive information on online teaching. We have put together a welcome page especially for our first semester students. On this page, you will find also information on offers and services at the university outside of your study program. For example, on our central student advisory services, the School of Humanities, the student communities, the international office, and of course the student representatives. Dear first semester students, you are now entering a new stage in your life. When I give this welcome speech in the lecture hall, I usually point out that this new stage comes with a number of challenges. These are no different now. Essential ingredients for your study success are your joy and passion for your subject, your willingness and commitment to learn, to endure struggles and to be tenacious. This also requires independence and self-organization and a good time management. This will be hard at times given the situation we are presented with this summer semester. Usually the interpersonal contacts on campus and the community with the fellow students help you. But perhaps the reduced opportunities for distraction also make it easier for you to focus on your studies. Take advantage of this situation and strive to become experts in digital learning. Do not shy away from the opportunities for interaction with your lecturers or academic advisors via chats, video conferences and any other tools we have available. As a digital generation, you are perfectly prepared to master all this. I have full confidence that together we will create a successful summer semester. My dear students, I wish you a fantastic start and all the best for your studies.